It's a pleasure to have you join me on this virtual journey. Welcome. Thank you for choosing our video on Saved by the Bells. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Saved by the Bells, also known by its French title Échappée, is a 2003 feature film by Ziad Touma, his first long feature film. Touma is a Lebanese Canadian film director and producer residing in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Touma is the founder of Couzin Films film, television and digital media production company, and it was released through the company. In 2023, Telefilm Canada announced that the film was one of 23 titles that will be digitally restored under its new Canadian Cinema Reignited program to preserve classic Canadian films. Brace yourself for a captivating discussion on synopsis as we explore its nuances and implications. The film's storyline has a young man rearing his head in Montreal's club milieu, claiming not to remember a thing about his past or who he is. Discovered by local drag diva Sheena Hershey, played by Brian Charbonneau, aka Brian Celsius. Warren and skinestress Scarlett Vijay, played by Karen Simpson. This young amnesiac is soon dubbed Sean and taken under wing by the club junkie duo. Hoping to jar his memory, they take him on a tour of Montreal's club scene, introducing him to various characters along the way. Touma's cast includes numerous authentic nightlife figures, among them drag fixtures Modo and Madame Simone. The press kit describes it this way: Saved by the Bells stars fags and hags, blonde bimbos, label whores, sugar daddies, club kids, eye-set builders, leathers and feathers, funky junkies, freaks and geeks, sex addicts, stupid chicks, lube monsters, pimpy pimps, wit watchers, nympho virgins, mingle singles, caustic ravers, sheep strippers, wannabe actors, Westlist leftovers, dilatory debutantes, kinky grannies, impotent hustlers, aggy-eyed ski nesters, size queen cupids, self-taught porn stars, emiles jet-setters, showgirls, smoking players, bendable bisexuals, and mama's toys. As we transition, let's shed light on cast and its relevance to our ongoing exploration. Brian Charbonneau, Sheena Hershey as Brian Celsius. Warren Karen Simpson, Scarlett Stephen Turpin, Chris Danny Gilmore, Sean Lydia Lockett, Matt Williston, Toby Ron Diamond, Doug Marcel Lapierre, Edith Modo Lamotte, Modo Dennis O'Brien, Dennis Vada Etienne, Vada Terry Segalers, Terry Louise Buston, Laura Robert Horble, Chicken Driss Berkey, Driss Paul Pabello, Paul Alessandro Mangiarotti, Alessandro Bernadette Russell, Bernadette Noemi Renault, Nomi John Thomas Fraser, Sean's dad. The spotlight now falls on awards and nominations as we delve deeper into its details. A theatrically distributed feature film, Ziad Touma's Saved by the Bells won several awards in festivals around the world. The film went on to win the Best Feature Film Award at Toronto's Inside Out Film and Video Festival in 2003. In 2004, it was nominated for 3 Genie Awards for Best Achievement in Cinematography, Best Achievement in Art Direction, and Best Achievement in Music Original Song. In the upcoming portion, we'll be dissecting Saved by the Bells website to gain a comprehensive understanding of its implications. Bells film led to the launching of a website by Ziad Touma, co-wrote and co-produced with Mauna Andras and Blue Sponge. The website won the Boomerang Awards for Best Arts and Culture Website and was nominated as Best Extreme Entertainment Site at the South by Southwest SXSW Awards. I love hearing from you, so leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments.